Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. In this video, we are going to understand what all changes during 7th month of the pregnancy you will see in yourself, what all symptoms are there of the 7th month of the pregnancy. About the baby, we will understand how much the baby has developed, what all organs have formed, and what you should do during 7th month of the pregnancy. So first of all, we will start with the development of the baby so far. So understanding the 7th month of pregnancy in terms of the week, it is approximately between 28th to 30th week of the pregnancy. As you are in your 7th month, it is the last trimester of pregnancy, that is the 3rd trimester. Now by this time, the baby has developed inside the womb, all the prominent organs have formed, and if the baby takes the birth in this month, that is the 7th month, there are high chances that the baby can survive perfectly. Now why we are saying this thing, because if the baby is born before 7th month of the pregnancy, then the baby is tagged as premature baby. The premature baby would not be having good respiratory system because the lungs have not developed properly by now. Also, the mental ability of the baby can be somehow less because the brain development is still going on. The baby is quite strong. The strong movements you can feel. The movements are so clear that you can see also the stretching of your skin when the baby will move his or her arms or limbs. Then you can also see this effect on your stomach. The baby is able to open the eyes, close the eyes perfectly. The baby is now responding to various things like intensity of the light, the intensity of the sound, and whatever you are eating. If you understand about the weight and the length of the baby, that the lengthwise the baby may vary because it depends upon parents as well. But the range is somehow between 15 to 16 inches. The baby should be lengthy and the weight should be approximately 2.5 to 3 pounds. Approximately you can say 1 kg or around 1 kg the baby should weigh when it is the 7th month of the pregnancy. As the baby's hearing capability is also very strong, the baby can understand the voices or the sounds that are coming from outside the womb. Now, so this is the best time to connect with your baby because the baby can hear your voice, has a close connection with you because the baby has heard you more often. So try to communicate with your baby as much as you can to make this bond stronger. Also make sure that there is no sudden or a harsh sound because the baby can get terrified inside the womb. Whenever you notice that there may be something that the baby can feel discomfort about, try to traverse your hand over your stomach. The sensation of waving your hands around your stomach can be felt and understood by the baby inside the womb. The baby gets cozy that there is someone who is taking care of. Now let us understand the symptoms that you will see in your 7th month of the pregnancy. The number one is you will find difficulty in walking because there is pressure on the limbs and the bladder. Also you can feel some sort of abdominal discomfort and contractions. Now your baby bump is big, so you would find difficulty in bending. Also there will be swelling problem, so might be you are having problem in standing or sitting for long hours. Avoid this thing because this will not only increase the problem of swelling but also can give you back pain and weight gain. Mood swing is also a very common problem during this time. Other concerns are like bleeding gums, fatigue, headache, dizziness. Some women would feel vaginal discharge, and it's a very common problem. Heartburn, gastric issue, indigestion are also very common during 7th month of the pregnancy. Some women can also see the problem of varicose vein, that is the swelling or the inflammation in your veins. If you are feeling excessive pain, you must be consulting your gynecologist for this. Frequent urination is one more thing that you will notice, and this is just because that the weight of the baby is falling now on your bladder. This time the baby is gaining weight, so you need to understand that your weight will increase rapidly now, and this is a very common thing. You should not be anxious on this. This is about 7 months of the pregnancy, the baby and you. What all things you would be feeling. Best is to take care of yourself by having a proper diet. Be in consistent touch with your doctor. The visits to the doctor should not be avoided. Staying hydrated, that is drinking at least 3 liters of water per day, will resolve your so many problems like swelling, constipation, bloating. Apart from this, you should start your pregnancy yoga or exercise under the supervision of a trainer. Else, it is always considered better to go for a morning walk and the evening walk for at least 30 minutes. Make sure that you are not sleeping wrong way during this time because sleeping now on your stomach or on your back will bring so many problems to you. Sleeping by your left hand side would be the best position for you so that the nutrients and the blood supply and the oxygen reaches to the baby in right amount. So friend, this was all about the 7th month of the pregnancy. If you have gained some valuable information from this, kindly hit the like button. If you are landing up to the channel first time, consider subscribing us on YouTube, following us on Facebook and Instagram. We will surely connect in another video on pregnancy. Till then, peace out, stay happy, stay healthy.